Alright, so we're back. Hopefully this camera angle is not as crap as my last head camera angle, because we all know how bad that was. But essentially right now what we're just going to do is take out these tail lights so that we can take off the rear bumper, and then possibly we'll be replacing it for that one. But can the camera even see that for that one? But I know we will be shaving, we'll have to be shaving a couple pieces of that bumper for sure, just because from what I remember it just does not fit right on. It's a Duraflex bumper, so you know, or it's a fiberglass bumper, so you know how those go, right? So yep. Anyways, let's get started on the headlights here, or the taillights. Size it is, I'm assuming it's probably 10, so let's start with the 10. Grab my ratchet here. Actually, it could be a 10. Just need my bigger sockets. And my longer sockets, really. That's definitely tightening it. I think it's these screws we take out here. Or bolts, nuts, rather. Whatever the case may be. Oops, I just realized I don't have the handbrake on. I think the car is literally moving forward as I do that. Now I don't know for sure if this is what's going to take it off, but one can hope, right? Alright. I don't. Oh no, there is more. Okay, so there's 4 there. At least I think that's the 4 for the headlight or tail light. And there seems to be like 2 more down there. I feel. Oh, there's like, an extra 2 further down there, and I don't know how they expect you to reach that. Interesting. I'll probably have to take off this cover here. Just kind of cheat our way through this, because I don't want to take the whole thing off. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right behind this, there's one more there, and then one right here. There's also 4 that were over here. There's also one here, but it doesn't have a bolt on it, so I think we should be good with that. But yeah, I think just those 2 and we should be fine. Let's see if I can get that back there. Oh, it's looking maybe fortunate. So, got it out. Let's see if this light wants to give. Beautiful. Right, so probably should have disconnected some stuff here. Am I just dumb? I think I'm just dumb. Yep. All of them came out clean. So that's how you take out an FC headlight. It's technically 6 nuts, and then there might be a couple more for you guys, just depending, but I think there's exactly 2, 4, there's 8 holes, so. Alright, let's do the next one. I'll just pop that real quick. Like what? Alright, so you guys can see that, right? There's a little bit of gasket there. Of course they do. Oh shit! Woohoo! We are so lucky. But yeah, this one doesn't even have a gasket. So like, what the? Or this one has a gasket, but the other one doesn't. So what the hell? But yeah, as you can see, finally got this one out. Took about 2 minutes. Just this one had all the screws though. I mean, look how many nuts that one had compared to that one. Like, yeah, yeah. Came out like a charm. Way easier than last time. Look at that. Still got the OEM gasket. Like what? Well, that wasn't too hard. Just a couple nuts, you know, typical stuff. Taking out headlights or taillights. I keep saying headlights. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyways, so now that we're done doing the taillights, we're gonna go straight to just taking off the rear bumper. And hopefully, I know it's not gonna fit on today, but we're gonna try and get this bad boy on. So yeah, I think I've said that like 9 times, but I'm just excited. All right. So once again, sorry about the heater noise, but now for the rear bumper. I would say it's about, there's one right there, so 1, 2, it's about 12. Or sorry, 11. Yeah, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11. So about 11 bolts. Those will come out quick, and then she'll be off. I already took off the couple that were over there. They were just super hard to get at, so I don't want to show the struggle of how shitty that was. I mean, it wasn't actually that shitty. They were hand tight, so actually I was blessed. What am I saying? Okay. I probably should have realized that was just gonna break. It is what it is. Stinking bitch is stuck though. That's how you get it out. Just drop her on the floor. What the hell? Where the hell is this thing? Come on. Guess we're going for the dunk. Yeah. Now for the hard part. This spot is just really down there. Man, this spot's a bitch. Oh no, just dropped the nut. And it's disgusting back there, as you can see. Look at my fingers. Oh, this feels slimy. Ugh. Oh, look at my fingers. That is gross. Okay. Now I think the rear bumper's ready to come off, so let's try that. Okay, friendly reminder and tip to yourself. You see right there. That is why it's not pushing out. It's still connected to the side. And all of these little plastic clips are in the way as well. So, yeah. That's what we gotta deal with. So I will not lie, that was not easy. As you can see, the boys just did not want to come out, so they ripped themselves out. It was just their time. OEM hardware. Those are the ones that were sticking up. Right alongside here. There's a bolt there, not there. Same for on the other side. Take number 2. those were those holes that we were just getting too stubborn, so we just said fuck it. Do a little comparison. OEM to aftermarket. Here's an idea of what the FC looks like with the rear bumper on. Definitely sits a lot lower now than it was before, because I'd say at least like that chunk alone right there is an extra gap that it didn't have before. And it definitely makes the bump just a bit thicker. That kind of vibes on that hard. I ain't gonna lie, I rock with this. But do you have to, and this is a question for you guys, and if anybody knows, do you cut here so that you can fit this on? Because I'm now noticing that like this doesn't detach, right? It's like solid with the whole piece of the car, but yet like we got this still, right? And this can't just, like, I'm trying to squeeze it in and I don't want to break it, so that's kind of where I'm stuck at right now. I ain't gonna lie, for the rear bumper. So yeah, if anybody knows, down in the comments, please let me know. Kind of a dilemma. I mean, yeah, I know you could just probably just cut it, right, and then attach it to the top part that you like I would cut probably here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I'd cut probably here and then attach this piece to this, I'm assuming, like just up here, right, so it could flow and flush. It's just like I don't want to really cut it in case I ever put the OEM bumper back on, so that's my question. If you do put on this body kit, do you have to swap over the OEM like completely? Like, can you not run OEM ever again? And if that's the case, alright, so after a couple minutes of being an idiot and realizing that, I literally just had to move a couple trim pieces. So those trim pieces right there, which stick on the side there, I come with a little light switch right there. And yeah, basically you just take those out and it lines up this bumper a bit more. But the only problem is, especially since we got the cheaper one, and Buddy told me this, so don't take him for this or anything, because he definitely told me, but we're gonna have to shave down this a bit more, as well as this extra chunk here, to get it to fit around this corner and to get this corner a bit more flush with here, as well as for the other side, because the other side is just as bad. As you can see, Buddy was already starting to do his cuts there to get it going as well. Only problem and slash hold up is, one, I don't think I have the right tools to do like threading in the holes for the bolts. I might, but I don't think I can be able to do that today just because the stores aren't open for me to go and get what I need. So either end this video here or try to do a couple little other things while I can. But essentially we're kind of stuck on that right now. So that's what it is. But at least I know now that I don't have to I don't have to cut this whole thing out, because that's what I thought I had to do just to fit this, and I'm definitely not okay with doing that, right? Like, it just doesn't make sense to me to do that. Alright everyone, here's the outro to today's video. Basically, I just put a couple more pieces in the interior that was missing. Just little things, so I didn't really record it just because it was kind of boring. But yeah, hopefully we get this bad boy on next time. We have to shave down the sides and whatnot to make it fit, so hopefully we get that done. I decided to cover it up for the night, so yeah. That's basically it for today. Just a short video. So hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. You know what to do. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content. And I hope you guys enjoy, well, the FC.
We are so lucky.